guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shriya. Today there is World Environment Day. Firstly, I'm gonna say Happy World Environment Day. Now let's start the Environment Day. Yeah, celebrate the Environment Day with our garden or in our garden. Welcome to our garden. I'm very excited to say about the World Environment Day. See, because today the climate is very nice. See, if we come to the World Environment Day 2021, history, themes and significance. See, the World Environment Day makes the people to plant the trees and stop destroying the forest and everything. See, even I too like planting. Every day I used to plant. If I am interested, yeah, not like that. I like to plant. And today it is a special date of plants, means the birthday. You can even call the birthday of the plants because we plant a plant on this day. See, many of the peoples in the world celebrate this, and this is also this one which we celebrate the world as a World Environment Day is celebrated at June 5th to June 16th at 1972. History. If we come to history, the first environmental issues were held from June 5th to June 16th in 1972 under the guidelines of United Nations in Sweden, which marked a turning point in the development of international environmental politics. If we come to themes 2021. See, the theme of World Environmental Day 2021 is to reimagine, restore and recreate. The day will kickstart the decade on ecosystem restoration 2021 to 2030 which is a global mission to survive billions of hectares from forest to the farmlands and from the top of the mountains to the depth of the seas. Ecosystem restoration refers to preventing and halting and reversing the damages caused by mankind over past many years. If we come to the significance, see, the World Environmental Day is to make people aware of the explosion and the harm has been unleashed to the nature and remind people to do their bit in order to save and preserve Mother Nature, yeah, motherland. Last year's theme was Celebrate Diversity. About the environmental quotes. First point, I feel angry when I see people throwing waste that we can reuse. Second point, the earth is all common what we think. Third point, the time spent amongst the trees or plants is not the time wasted. Fourth point, the earth is a fine place that worth fighting for. Thank you for watching my video. If you are first time watching my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you in my next video. See, I will share some of the pictures of our garden and some of the videos of our garden. See, hope you all liked this video. And one more thing, see, you all enjoy these pictures and videos of our garden because today there is a special, that is a World Environment Day. So I always wish you once again Happy World Environment Day, and you also plant if you are not possible to plant more, just plant one or two plants that can give you a shadow after it grows and become taller, and you can even get some of the fruits, and it will help you always if you grow a plant. Okay, bye. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Bye. Bye.